The City of Hayward has taken a proactive approach to the Climate Action Plan and being leaders in the region and state. What we've done here at the Water Pollution Control Facility is provide a lot of intense energy into technical reports. From these reports, we've gathered a lot of methods to basically go off-grid and produce green energy. A 1 megawatt solar array in 2010, and in 2014, a cogeneration system, state-of-the-art. This special composition and combination of green energies has allowed us to basically be a zero net energy facility and a green power producer exporting green energy to the power grid through a tariff. So green power is involved with a whole bunch of processes involving operations, maintenance, laboratory, instrumentation, electricians, and engineering. It doesn't come easy. The wastewater comes to our facility. We extract the solids from the liquids. We basically put those in anaerobic digestion with high composition solids of fats, oils, and greases, milk waste, and other materials that act as the Red Bull to our digesters that really pump up our gas production. We send that through gas scrubbing, goes through our cogeneration, so now it's a biogas that's producing green power. In combination with our photovoltaic 1 megawatt system that allows us to continuously discharge green power to the power grid. In order to make this green power for our cogeneration, we use a variety of mechanical electrical devices. From the mechanical side of things, electrical, we use GE, Zenith, we use Schneider, D Squared, and other variety equipment. SCADA, we have Wonderware. This goes to a cogeneration facility, export of what's going on with the plant. Right now we're exporting minus 90 kilowatt. Allen Bradley for our PLCs. Each of these is a mini computer that programs a process what to do. Nearly 20 years ago, when I started in the field, we had these old-fashioned synchronization systems with the cogeneration. What that meant was you had light bulbs above you, and you have to wait to the right lighting of those light bulbs and close your breaker. Not only was it a big headache, it was extremely unsafe, because if your breaker has any faults, the explosion goes right out to you, and there you go, your career's gone. This new technology has those particular breakers in the other room. So this panel view allows us to synchronize our cogeneration upon startup in a very safe manner that's never been done before. So this is a GE Yenbacher system. This panel right here is basically the sensory control, synchronization, and metering that takes place to allow the system to operate. So this Allen Bradley panel view basically allows you to view the controls. In here you have a variety of metering devices, alarm systems, and trends that you can view the quality of the current and voltage going to our 12 kV. Underneath this master control panel is a third-party monitoring system that gives this voltage export electrical information to our energy authority, which is Pacific Gas and Electric Company. From there, they deduct that from our bill, and we get a check at the end of the quarter through a tariff. For the mechanical side of things, for pumping purposes, we use a whole variety of different equipment, from Penn Valley to Vaughn to different mixed feed pump that we have out there. The best instrument that we use are operators and mechanics, because they are the bread and butter of this plant. We have a special feed schedule for our digesters. We also test and sample a whole different arrays 3 times per week on our digesters to make sure that we can catch problems before they happen. This allows us to relax. and to really enjoy the equipment and let it do its work. And must I mention, we are doing all of this with no bar screens at the headworks. Yes, it is planned, but it is a huge challenge for us, and with the staff working together here, we have come up to meet that challenge, and we're operating steady state presently. Now that we are producing green power to 22 different city-owned accounts, we want to set a more aggressive schedule of the whole entire city being off-grid. So that's our next focus, and we look forward to seeing you guys soon.